Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to do types of chemical reactions. There are many types of chemical reactions like synthesis, decomposition, combustion, displacement, double decomposition. Today we have to discuss synthesis, decomposition and displacement reaction. First we will discuss synthesis reaction in detail. Synthesis reaction is the reaction when two different substances combine to make a single substance. The reaction between iron and sulfur, when iron and sulfur react, they form iron sulfide. This reaction is also an example of synthesis reaction. Another example is the burning of magnesium in oxygen to produce magnesium oxide. This is magnesium ribbon. Magnesium is a metal, and when it burns in oxygen, oxygen is a non-metal. It produces a white powdered form of magnesium oxide, and this is an example of synthesis reaction. Rusting of iron is also an example of synthesis reaction. Students, you have seen door latches and other things like nails, when they are kept in moisture places, they get rusted. Rust is the iron oxide. When iron react with oxygen that is present in the atmosphere in the presence of moisture like water, it produces iron oxide whose color is like this reddish brown type of color. We say this rusting of iron. Rusted iron is a iron oxide. Our next topic is decomposition. Decomposition is the breaking up of a single compound into two or more simpler products. Energy is needed to break the bonds. Energy may be in the form of heat or light. Thermal decomposition is the use of heat to break down a compound. This is calcium carbonate. This is copper carbonate, and its color is green. When heat is applied to this copper carbonate, it turns into black color compound because burning of copper carbonate produces copper oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas dissipate in the atmosphere, and black color copper oxide compound remains in the test tube. This reaction is an example of decomposition reaction, and in this reaction heat is needed to break the bonds between the copper carbonates. Students, you know that chemical change happens when the atoms in the molecule separate and they join in a new way to produce entirely new substances. This is copper carbonate, and this is the atom of copper, this is the atom of carbon, and these are the atoms of oxygen. Copper carbonate CuCO3, and when it is heated, it is decomposed into copper oxide and carbon dioxide. Now these atoms have been separated and they join in a new way to produce entirely new substance whose properties are entirely different from the properties of the copper carbonates. Another example of decomposition reaction is the manufacture of lime. Lime is the common name of the chemical compound calcium oxide. Limestone is heated to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Students, we can test the presence of carbon dioxide gas by performing a test. A test for carbon dioxide is that when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water is a calcium hydroxide solution and its color is just like water, it is a colorless compound, and when carbon dioxide is passed through this calcium hydroxide, it turns into cloudy white solutions due to the formation of insoluble calcium carbonate. When calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide, it produces calcium carbonate, which is insoluble in water, due to which the colorless calcium hydroxide turns milky or cloudy white. And this is the identification test for the carbon dioxide. Our next topic is displacement reaction. During a displacement reaction, one substance pushes out another substance to take its place. Beta, this iron nail is put in a copper sulfate solution. Some of the iron dissolves in the solution and displaces copper, and copper is being coated on the iron nail. The word equation for this reaction is iron plus copper sulfate. The products are copper plus iron sulfate. In the manufacture of lime, that is calcium oxide, limestone is heated to a high temperature up to 1000 degrees Celsius in a special ovens called lime kilns. When one chemical reaction causes a sequence of reactions to occur, it is called a chain reaction. Next, we have to do test yourself. What type of chemical reaction is magnesium burning in oxygen? A synthesis reaction is the burning of magnesium in oxygen with this word equation. Question number 1, part B. Is this reaction endothermic or exothermic? Explain your answer. Burning of magnesium ribbon in oxygen is an exothermic reaction because magnesium burns with white light and it also gives out heat during this process, and the product is white colored powdered form of magnesium oxide. Question number 2. Lime, whose chemical name is calcium oxide, is produced by heating limestone, that is calcium carbonate, in a hot kiln. Carbon dioxide gas is given off as a waste product. Part 1. Is this chemical reaction endothermic or exothermic? Beta, this is an endothermic reaction because it needs a very high temperature, that is 1000 degrees Celsius, for the decomposition of calcium carbonate. Question number 2, part B. Write a word equation for the production of lime. Beta, word equation for the production of lime, that is thermal decomposition, is calcium carbonate. It is heated up to 1000 degrees Celsius. It produces calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide gas. Question number 3. Explain why the reaction between iron and copper sulfate is an example of displacement reaction. The answer starts from this line. During a displacement reaction, one substance pushes out another substance to take its place, up to this, including this diagram and word equation. Thank you.